Welcome to the world of electric vehicles, where innovation and sustainability meet. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, so does the need for reliable and efficient electric vehicle supply equipment. Introducing the Fluke FEV350, a game-changing tool that will revolutionize your EV charger testing experience. Imagine having the power to ensure the safety and performance of EVSEs with just a few simple steps. The Fluke FEV350 is designed to make your life easier by providing a comprehensive visual inspection of an EV charging system. With its bright and user-friendly color LCD display, you can easily navigate through each test, receiving instant pass-fail indications on all test results. One of the unique features of the Fluke FEV350 is its ability to perform a 30 mA RCD and 6 mA RDC DD trip test. These tests are crucial for ensuring electrical safety, detecting even the smallest faults that could compromise EVSEs. But it doesn't stop there. The Fluke FEV350 also provides EV simulation through auto-control pilot waveform analysis, providing on-screen feedback of nominal results. This advanced technology ensures that the EVSE is operating in accordance with IEC standards for electric vehicle charging communication standards, giving you peace of mind every time an electric vehicle is plugged in. But the benefits of the Fluke FEV350 don't stop there. It seamlessly integrates with TrueTest software, a powerful tool that allows you to manage and organize all your testing data with ease. With TrueTest, you can analyze and save your test results to generate reports and certificates. This level of organization not only saves time, but also ensures that all your data is stored securely and can be easily accessed when needed. And with support from compatible Fluke multifunction testers, you can perform additional critical measurements such as earth bond, insulation, and loop line impedance. This comprehensive approach to testing ensures that every aspect of your EVSE is thoroughly checked and certified. The Fluke FEV350 is built with you in mind. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible to both professionals and everyday users, ensuring that anyone can carry out essential tests with confidence. With comprehensive certification support, the Fluke FEV350 makes it easy to generate detailed reports, helping you meet industry standards and ensure the highest level of safety and performance for EVSEs. With its user-friendly interface, advanced safety features, and seamless integration with TrueTest software, the Fluke FEV350 is the tool you need to take your EV charging experience to the next level. Ensure the safety, performance, and efficiency of your EVSE with the Fluke FEV350 today. Learn more about how the Fluke FEV350 can revolutionize your EV charging experience.